The BMW iX3 stands out for efficiency and for suitability for everyday use, because when it's fully charged, it achieves a range of up to 460 kilometers, and that's based on the WLTP cycle. To make your charging process easier, the BMW iX3 comes with useful BMW charging features. All you need is your smartphone, the BMW app, and a charge point, of course. In the app, you can check the charging status of your BMW at any time, whether you're charging or to check whether you should be. With the same app, you can also find suitable public charging stations. Once you've found one, you can push it to your car and save it as a destination in the navigation system. So that you never run out of power, the BMW charging range offers you various options to charge the high voltage battery in your iX3. For fast home charging, all you need is one of these. This is the BMW Wallbox Essential. It's got an optimal charging performance of up to 22 kilowatts. This compact, robust wallbox, it'll reduce the charging time of your iX3 significantly. The LED bar on the front gives you all the information that you need. Charging status, operating mode, functional conditions, so you'll always be up to date with regards to what your charging process is doing at that moment. If you need additional services, for example, the installation of the wall box, these can all be purchased as part of the BMW charging portfolio, and that comes, of course, with the iX3. To save money, you could simply set the charging timer in your BMW app in a time slot outside of peak time, and that way, your iX3 would automatically start charging when the energy prices are at their lowest. If you want to charge your vehicle flexibly, wherever you go, there's now the new mobile charging option available with the BMW charging range. This is the BMW Flexible Fast Charger. The charger's compatible with multiple interchangeable adapters, suitable for common international home and industry sockets. You plug it in and the charger automatically performs up to 11 kilowatts of power. So you can take the flexible fast charger wherever you go, and you're always going to have the maximum charging power with the available infrastructure. With BMW charging, you've got access to a continuously growing network of public charging stations. You can easily find them using your navigation system and unlock them, for example, with the scan and charge feature. That's either in your BMW app or with your BMW charging card. The highlight of the BMW iX3 is the highly efficient electric drivetrain. It's what makes the car suitable for everyday use. Compared to previous generations of electric motor, the BMW iX3, it needs far less energy to achieve a much wider range. Your BMW iX3 has a charging power of up to 150 kilowatts. If you choose a high-power charging station, for example, one from BMW's partner Ionity or other international partners, it only takes 10 minutes to extend the range by up to 100 kilometers. And with a high-powered charging station, the high-voltage battery of your BMW iX3 charges up to 80% in only about 34 minutes. Payment is made automatically, and you will receive a transparent overview of your public charging history once a month for your convenience.